There you have it, Vex Nation. A mere 351 days ago, we said farewell to the game of Rapid Relay in the city of Dallas, Texas, with our sights on a new city and a brand new challenge that promised a season like never before. In those 351 days, you have proven to the entire world that Mix and Match was no match for you. And now, as we say goodbye to a season that left us with so many memories, there's just one thing left to do. Vex Nation! It's time to change the game! Introducing Vex IQ Robotics Competition, Level Up! Let's find out how Level Up is played.
Welcome to the 2026-2027 Vex IQ Robotics Competition. And this year's game, Level Up. Level Up is played on a 6-foot by 8-foot field by two teams, red and blue, working together to maximize their score. The scoring elements are rectangular beanbags measuring 3 inches by 4 inches and are one of 3 colors, red, yellow, or blue. There are 38 beanbags in Level Up. 20 of them start on the field. 8 blue, 4 yellow, and 8 red. 16 more bags begin outside of the field as match loads, with 2 additional yellow bags reserved for use as preloads. Beanbags can be scored in multiple locations around the field. There are 2 floor goals and 2 multi-level pyramid goals located in opposite corners of the field. Each pyramid goal has 3 levels of scoring height and relative difficulty. There are 2 8-inch tall fences that create a path for robots as they navigate the field. Alternatively, robots that are small enough to drive under the fence can save valuable time, but will find it more difficult to drive back the way they came. Teams will need to transport beanbags across the field and deliver them to a goal of a matching color. Yellow bags can be scored on any goal and are worth the same amount of points as a color matching bag at any level. A single beanbag scored in a floor goal is worth 1 point. A level 1 platform is worth 3 points. Level 2 is worth 6 points. And level 3 is worth 12 points. But the challenge doesn't stop there. In the center of the field stand 2 platforms classified as level 4. These platforms are reserved exclusively for the placement of yellow beanbags and have a width of only 7 inches, but a height of 24 inches. Each bag scored on a level 4 platform goal is worth 16 points. Teams must work together to determine the most efficient way to play, as object possession is limited to 1 beanbag at a time. There are 3 ways to play in the Vex IQ Robotics Competition. First, 2 teams collaborate in 60-second teamwork challenge matches, working together to maximize their collective score. Each of these teams consists of 2 drivers and 1 loader. One driver operates the robot for the first half of the match, the other driver operates it for the second half, and the loader performs their task for the full 60 seconds. Second, each team has the opportunity to play driving skills challenge matches. In these matches, teams have 60 seconds of driver control time to score as many points as possible. Third, each team also has the opportunity to play autonomous coding skills challenge matches, in which they have 60 seconds of autonomous robot operation to score points. No drivers allowed. The scores from driving and autonomous coding skills challenges will be combined to determine a Robot Skills Challenge champion. For official game rules and robot requirements for Vex IQ Robotics Competition Level Up, be sure to check out the game manual found at competition.vex.com. To register a team, find events near you, or ask a question on the official Q&A, please visit events.vex.com. Good luck, and have a great season.
There you have it, Vex Nation. You showed us what you were made of with Mix and Match, and now it's time to overcome a new challenge with Level Up. Here to tell us more about Level Up is one of the creators themselves, Vex Worlds. Give it up for Game Design Committee member Bailey Call.
Thank you, Tyler, and thank you, everybody. We are so excited to finally be able to present Level Up to you. This game is going to be bound to be a fun competition that will require high-level driving and thoughtful robot design to push students into new territories.
Absolutely, Bailey. There is so much happening on this field right now. What can we tell them about it?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the things that we finally decided to do with Vex IQ this year is we're taking these field elements and we're bringing them up to the level of V5 from the aesthetic point of view. These fields will strike a premium presentation while also still integrating those Vex IQ parts we all know and love to build with. We're really proud of the balance we've struck with that, and we hope teams will appreciate it.
Absolutely. And Bailey, I'm looking around at all these game objects. What are these beanbags? Tell me about them. What's going on?
Yeah, these beanbags have a really interesting size and shape. They're going to lead to some interesting intakes and manipulators on the robots. The field itself also features some really interesting goal design with some varying heights and reach depths that will really challenge teams to build new mechanisms of new types and to learn a thing or two.
Very cool. And Bailey, I am seeing something familiar to the V5 game. Are these April tags?
That's right, Tyler, they are. That's a really good eye. We're really excited for that integration into this game. We're going to challenge these students to learn a new end of software development and really integrate that AI vision into the game.
We can't ignore the craziest part of this field right here, the 2-foot-tall level 4 goals. What is going on?
Yeah, absolutely, Tyler. That's one of the tallest Vex IQ elements we've ever put on a Vex IQ field. It's really going to challenge these students to level up throughout the year. On a personal note, I just want to give a shout out to the rest of the Vex Robotics Game Design Committee, our video team, our graphics team, our animation team, the entire Vex Robotics engineering team from all disciplines, our game manual translators from around the world, and the entire Vex community. Thank you all, and we wish you good luck in Level Up.
Thank you so much, Vex Nation. Give it up one more time for Bailey. Y'all, we are so excited to see how you conquer the challenge of Level Up. For those of you who can't wait to get started on next season, the new game elements for Level Up are available now out those doors in Dome Entry B. Congratulations again to all of you who made it to Vex Worlds this year. Skills champions, excellence award winners, and tournament champions, please come to the stairs for a group photo. Coaches, parents, and guardians, please stay seated while we capture this moment in Vex history. Congratulations again to our world champions. Thank you, everyone. Good night.